Welcome back to the Story Lady's living room. A special hello to Grandy Kyp's kids everywhere. Let's read some poems and stories. This poem is about my canary, Mr. Patrick Sunshine, and it's called Can You Catch a Canary? Jump, jump, flutter, bump, little canary in a really big cage. Preening, singing, nibbling his food, he swings on his swing, everything's good. How do I catch him? His carrier is ready. He just won't stay still. Please, little bird, steady, steady. Now, why would I try to catch him on the fly? He's much faster and smarter than I. Okay, I'll take everything out of his cage. He doesn't like that and flies into a rage. Top to bottom, side to side. I cannot net him, I tell you I tried. Look, he flies to the left and then to the right. I'll have the net ready and waiting out of his sight. I did it, I got him for sure. Now off to the bird store for his own manicure.